Today, I'm going to be making a reception desk for a friend of mine's hair salon. And it got me thinking. The bob, the beehive, the Rachel, the mullet, the afro, the Chelsea, the updo, the downdo, the doo-doo, the drive-through, the hot glue. If you ever had one of these haircuts, you could probably thank a stylist at a salon. But what do we really know about salons? So far, all I've done is start cutting up this sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. But honestly, who cares? Let's talk salon facts. Did you ever go to get your hair done and they tilt your head back in that chair that places your head gently into the sink so they can wash your filthy hair? Well, you can thank the one and only Martha Matilda Harper. Born September 10th, 1857, she was sent away by her father at the age of 7 to be a domestic servant, a 7-year-old maid. Can't even get my kids to brush their teeth in the morning. Anyway, Martha retired from domestic maiding at the age of 32, and she went on to produce her own hair tonic, open up 500 franchises called the Harper Method Hair Parlor, where each franchise was owned by a woman. Oh, and she invented those hair washing chairs we were talking about. This woman was absolutely incredible. Meanwhile, I'm just over here wasting my life away making these stupid videos for no one at all. Speaking of, do me a favor and share this video. It really helps. Ever heard of Alexandra Godefroy? Well, you have now. This guy popped onto the scene when people felt the extreme need for something to dry their hair. That's right, he invented the hair dryer. But not like the one you have in your bathroom. This was a chair with a hot helmet attached to it. And that hot helmet was attached to a chimney pipe of a gas stove. Somehow this death chair was still a better option than what people were using before, which was vacuum cleaner in reverse or the wind. If you wanted to get a perm in the 1800s, there was a good chance you were going to get a pretty significant burn. Ouch. Because these chandeliers were used to perm your hair through heated coils that hung from the ceiling. Yep, that's real. Let's talk about scissors, shall we? These handy little helpers were invented a ridiculously long time ago, but apparently not everyone could get their hands on them because some people were using swords to cut their hair. Which explains this look. My God. Another useful option for a stylish new look back in the day was fire. People would just burn their unwanted hair off. And believe it or not, some morons are still using this method. Hey, did you know that the word salon means gathering? Ah, the salon of the juggalos. It really adds some class to the whole event. And brooms? They were invented a super long time ago, but dustpans, on the other hand, weren't invented until 1857, which means there was just piles of dust laid all over the place until then. Oh, sorry. Well, there's plenty of other fun facts about salons, but it looks like I'm almost done making this entryway desk. Sorry I didn't talk about it at all. It looked like it was a pretty basic build, so you get the point. See you in the next one. Later.
Bye, see you again, and have a good dream.